Vibe with huh? City Vibe with Hemran. Hello, good evening. Diverson Jesus. Diverson Jesus. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, Diverson Jesus. Good good evening. So from Brazil, you're very beautiful. Nice meeting you. This is the moment been waiting for. Finally, you will be mine. Promise to Allah, love you eternity. I'm gonna hold your precious hand. Finally, you will be mine. Promise to Allah, love you